Okay, let's study lesson 2 in the same unit, unit 8. It's called Go Green. When I say go green, guys, we're talking about plants, obviously, healthy food, about products, about sources of energy, about pollution, about even your pocket money, and air conditioning, oxygen, the shade, the climate, the weather forecast, okay? Let's start 3 by 3 words. I hope you enjoy it. Hello, we have 3 words: healthy, easy, reason. Healthy is an adjective, means good for your health or to be in a good condition. Like when I say vegetables are healthy food, are good for children. Number 2, easy. Easy means what? It's an adjective. It's the opposite of the word difficult or hard, like needing a little effort. Something doesn't need much effort. Okay, like when I say it's not easy being a parent because you have to raise kids just like you. And it's a hard mission, of course. Reason. Reason is the cause of an event or situation or something that needs an excuse or explanation. Okay? We have more 3 words: product, product, source, source, energy. Number 1, product. Something is made to be sold, like when I say they do a new line of skincare products. Number 2, source. What is the source? The place something comes from or stored, like when I say oranges are good sources of vitamin C. They are good sources of vitamin C. Number 3, energy. The power to be physically and mentally active, like when I say, since I started eating more healthy food, I have got so much more power or energy. Okay? More 3 words: reduce, reduce, pollute, pollute, throw away, throw away. Number 1, reduce, to make something become smaller in size, amount, in degree or importance. Okay, like when I say my weight reduces when I stop eating sugar. All of us, of course, especially chocolate. Number 2, pollute. Pollute is a verb, means what? To make an area, air, soil dirty or harmful to people, animals, and plants. Like when I say, I must respect the environment and not pollute it. Okay, 3rd word, throw away. It's a phrasal verb, means to get rid of something you do not want anymore. Like when we say, we throw away 100 billion cans every year. Okay? Words: useful, empty, pocket money. Number 1, useful means what? Helping you to do or achieve something. The opposite is useless. Like when I say, a good knife is probably one of the most useful things you can have in a kitchen. Number 2, empty. As you can see, the B before the T is a silent letter. I say empty, means not containing any things or people. Like when I say, put the empty box in the rubbish bin. Number 3, pocket money. Pocket money. It means what? The amount of money that your parents regularly give to their child to spend as they choose. Okay? More 3 words: difference, difference, oil, oil, money box. Money box. Number 1, difference. The way in which 2 or more things which you are comparing are not the same. Like when I say, what's the difference between an apple or apple or a giraffe and a monkey? Even giraffe or a monkey. Number 2, oil. What's an oil? It's a thick liquid that comes from petroleum used as fuel and for making parts of machines move easily. When I say, you should check your oil, water, and tires before taking your car in a long trip. Money box. Money box, as you can see, it's a closed container in which money kept, especially one with a hole on the top, okay? Air conditioning, oxygen, shade. Air conditioning means what? The system used for keeping the air in building or vehicle cool. Like when I say, I wish my bedroom had an air conditioning, okay? Number 2, oxygen. It's a colorless gas. Colorless means no color, it has no color. Colorless gas that forms a large part of the air on Earth, and it needed to keep most living things alive. We can't live without oxygen, of course. Like when I say the symbol of oxygen is O2. Number 3, shade. Shade. It's a slight darkness caused by something blocking the direct light from the sun. Like when I say, the sun was hot and there were no trees to offer us shade. It was so hot. 2 more words, climate, weather forecast. Climate means what? The general weather condition usually found in a place. Like when I say, when we quit job, we're going to move to a warmer climate. Number 2, weather forecast means what? A statement of what the weather is likely to be for the next day or few days, usually broadcast on TV or radio or printed in a newspaper. Like when I say, what is the weather forecast for next week? Okay? Okay, we have 2 more words, carry around and advice. Carry around is a verb, means to carry something with you everywhere you go. Like when I say, in summer, you must carry a bottle of water around with you to avoid hydration. Word number 2, advice. Advice means an opinion that someone offers you about what you should do or how you should act in a situation. Like when I say, Steve gave me some good advices, okay? Hello, grade 4. How are you doing? Are you doing well? I hope so. Okay, let's arrange those 3 sentences. Number 1, what's there about cinema going to? It will be what, like a suggestion to go out for a place. When I say, what about going to the cinema? How about or what about going to the cinema? Number 2, haven't got problem you any. I'm going to say what? You haven't got any problems. You haven't got any problems. Number 3, now really I'm sleepy. I'm going to say what? I'm really sleepy now. I'm really sleepy now, okay? Let's answer this dialogue together. We have to read them all first, then we have to guess the meaning to understand what is the suitable question to answer or to write the suitable answer to. Okay? Where do you go on Sundays? We have to guess and answer. Let's read the rest to know. No, it's not far from here. So he must be asking about a place. How can I get to the library? Now I know that I should have say, where do you go on Sundays? I go to the library. I go to the library. Number A. No, it's not far from here. So the question will be what? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Third question. How can I get to the library? How can I get to the library? I'm going to say, you have to go straight, then turn left. It's beside the post office. You have to describe the place accurately. Go straight, then turn left. It's beside the post office. So he said, thanks a lot. I'm going to say, you're welcome. Okay? Okay, let's answer those 3. Antonym, he wants you to give for every word 1 antonym. healthy, and antonym basically is the opposite of the word. Healthy, unhealthy. Number 2, easy, difficult or hard. Useful, useless. Empty, full. Okay? Let's answer this homework together. Number 1, the box is empty. Please walk it away. Throw it away. Number 2, she is what? Her laptop around with her everywhere. She's what? Carrying. She's carrying. Number 3, we need to, the number of the cars in the street to save environment. We have to what? Reduce. We have to reduce. Number 4, if we throw rubbish in the sea, we will what it? We will pollute it. Number 5, mom uses mini skin what? To prevent wrinkles, Skin products. Number 6, cigarettes are for our health. Cigarettes are what? Are harmful. Harmful is the opposite of the word useful. Okay, let's answer those 3 words. Number 1, he wants you to give the synonym for the word energy. It will be what? Power. It will be what? Power. Number 2, throw away. Throw away means, get rid of or throw out. Number 3, advice means what? Tip. Means tip. You have to do the punctuation at home, like when you capitalize the pronoun I and you put the apostrophe between the N and T. Also, you have to put full stop by the end of the sentence.